Wondering how to simplify your payment collection? Manage collections across multiple banks or manage collections of utility bills, premiums, SIPs and donations. Wondering how to reduce your cost of collections? Presenting NACH, a product offering from National Payments Corporation of India. NPCI is a body formulated by Reserve Bank of India in conjunction with Indian Banks Association and 10 promoter banks. NACH is a centralized bulk file-based transaction processing system especially designed to help corporates efficiently manage their large volume collections. NACH facilitates collection of utility bills, insurance premiums, SIPs, credit card bills, donations, fees, supply chain collection and also caters to any other recurring collection requirement of corporates. Let's understand how collections can be made easy using NACH. The collection process using NACH begins with the corporate collecting a NACH mandate from its customers. Using the mandate form, the customer authorizes the corporate to debit his account for a defined period and at a defined frequency. The corporate, after verifying the details provided by its customer, forwards the same to its bank. The corporate's bank shares the NACH mandate with NPCI. NPCI further forwards the NACH mandate with the customer's bank to seek its approval. Once the mandate is approved by the customer's bank, the corporate is considered authorized to collect funds from the customer's account. The centralized mandate validation service offered by NPCI ensures that every NACH debit transaction is validated at NPCI against the mandate information, and only successfully validated transactions are forwarded to the customer's bank for debiting his account. In order to make the whole process of mandate registration online, NPCI has also introduced e-mandate, a process which will allow the bank customers to self-approve his mandate by logging into net banking. Registration of e-mandate requires 3 simple steps. Customer does a buy decision and provides mandate information on the merchant website. Upon submission of mandate information, the customer is redirected to his bank's net banking. On successful login, the customer views the mandate details on the bank page and confirms registration of e-mandate. NACH is poised to transform the Indian payment landscape with its varied features like nationwide reach, same-day debit realization, multi-level security and future-ready technology. The pan-India availability of the service makes collections cost-effective for the corporate and also every customer accessible, irrespective of the location. NACH is equipping the country for tomorrow's payment challenges.